America? Tom Hand here on Americana Corner. Today we are discussing early America's political unity. From the First Continental Congress in 1774 until the election of 1824, America was more politically united than at any other time in our nation's history. While there were differences of opinion, no one considered forming separate political parties. The founders had a common goal: gaining our independence from England. In 1789, when the new Constitution took effect, and with England now defeated, their unity began to splinter. Disagreements arose between men like Thomas Jefferson, who favored states' rights, and those like Alexander Hamilton, who preferred the stronger constitutional central government. In forming his first cabinet, President George Washington tried to create diversity of thought and included leaders with opposing views. He named Hamilton as his Treasury Secretary and Jefferson as Secretary of State, but things quickly soured between the two men. In 1793, Jefferson resigned to devote more time to his own political movement, the new Democratic Republican Party. And within a year, Democratic-Republican societies had formed in most states. Meanwhile, supporters of the new federal government, referred to as Federalists, organized behind Hamilton. Soon, the Federalists and the Democratic Republicans solidified their positions and began to attack the other side. In 1795, the Jay Treaty, which improved relations with Great Britain, brought disagreements between the two groups to a head. Dissension within the ranks of our founders was now a reality and led to our first contested presidential election in 1796. Next week, we will discuss how America's first political parties formed and developed in our nation's early years. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.